Good morning. Cheeky, cheeky. Yeah.
Don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Oh, why? The real ones they know and the ones that do not, I don't need.
Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to be filming a day in the life of a young mom of two. I didn't get to record this morning Charlie going off to school because that's still something that we're still trying to learn and get together. So that was not a moment for me to get the camera out and start to try to record. Actually, this morning Blake actually stayed asleep for Charlie going to school. Usually she will wake up, but we had a pretty rough night last night. She was like super uneasy and she did not go to sleep, though she did actually stay asleep a little bit longer. Usually in the mornings, days that my husband can take her to school, which is most days, my husband will get her up and get her going. We prepare all of Charlie's stuff in the night before, so there's not really much to pack up. It's just getting the slow 5-year-old up and together, and my husband also has to go to school or work too, so just getting everyone together and out the door is a process. So just stay tuned to this video. Sorry I look so rough. I'll get it together eventually at some point today. But just stay tuned and I will show you guys my typical day with both of the girls. I got the hiccups, guys, and I don't like them very much. To get this video started off, I always change Blake's diaper as soon as we wake up. She usually always has like the biggest poopy diaper ever when she first wakes up. And it's so funny to me because this baby literally loves getting her diaper changed. And then after she's done getting her diaper changed, of course we share lots of hugs and kisses, but I usually will feed her. Generally she's not that hungry when she wakes up because I usually feed her as she's sleeping throughout the morning because it helps her go back to sleep, but she'll eat just a little bit. So once we are done feeding, I will usually make up my bed. As soon as we are done, I usually just put Blake in her little bassinet and let her listen to music and then get started on my bed. It is something that seriously gives me so much anxiety and makes the room seem so much messier if it is not done. And then I always set an alarm for the time it is to pick Charlie up, just because I get kind of carried away with my day and I just need a little reminder sometimes of the time. Now for probably my favorite part of the day is getting Blake dressed. We're not really doing very much today, so I'm just going to get something very simple on her. She already took a bath last night, so I'm just going to take a washcloth and kind of clean up all of the spit up and drool and everything else that she does. And yeah. on our favorite little show that we watch on YouTube, which is Baby Einstein, so that I can go ahead and get my teeth brushed. And it usually doesn't last very long before Blake is crying. Usually around this time, Blake is pretty hungry. She didn't eat very much in the morning when she first woke up, so I'm going to go ahead and make her a bottle. This time I'm going to make her formula. I switch back and forth between formula and breastfeeding her. It just keeps her fuller, and sometimes I feel like I just can't keep up with the amount of times that she eats because she is still eating every 2 hours. So hopefully after this bottle she will be full and she'll be ready to take a nap. So Blake definitely did not fall asleep, so I just went ahead and put her in her boppy so I could hopefully get some laundry done. I have this huge bag right here of clothes that I need to donate, and then this huge pile of laundry that I need to separate and go ahead and put in the washing machine. And then next I start on the bottles from the night before. I'm just going to go ahead and clear off my sink a little bit and then get all the bottles washed and cleaned. I love my little grass dry rack thing. I honestly forgot what it's called, but it is amazing. It holds so much stuff, and I just let them dry there. And then I'm going to clean up my bathroom. I swear my husband and my daughter make the biggest mess in the bathroom every single morning. And then once I'm done with that, I am going to feed Blake again, and then it is time to get Charlie from school. I'm usually rushing, so I just throw on the first thing that I see, but whatever. I mean, it's just school pickup, right? Hi!
Why do you need the camera?
Because we're making a video about our day in our life. Okay, come on, get in.
Is the camera actually working?
Yeah, it's on. But what are you and your friend gonna do?
We're gonna keep the diamond and we're gonna be superheroes.
Oh, so diamonds turn you into superheroes? Come on, take your backpack.
And we're gonna be
Here.
the best superheroes ever.
So Charlie's home from school. Hi, Charlie.
Hi. Today.
So I'm going to get in the shower and then we're gonna go to Target. That didn't used to be.
So we are at home and I don't know what we're doing right now, but
So I'm going to go ahead and take a shower now. I usually just stick Blake in her little swing and she'll stay in there for about 15 minutes. And then once I'm out of the shower, I'm going to go straight ahead to pumping. I usually like to pump right before I go out anywhere because it just allows me to have milk, and she's happier when she's got my breast milk. Target, and I'm gonna get Charlie in the shower while I cook some dinner. So tonight I'm going to be super simple. I'm just going to make pasta with sausage and this amazing classical spicy red pepper sauce and some tricolor rotini. I've also got broccoli in the microwave, and I also have croissants cooking in the oven. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get Blake dressed for bed. Everything is still cooking in the oven and on the stove, so I'm going to hurry up and do this as fast as possible. Husband is finally home, so we are happy. We're going to go ahead and spend a little family time together before everyone starts getting ready for bed. I am going to go ahead and get all the pillows and things off of my bed, and we're just going to lay and talk to each other.
Yeah. Like, we got Blakey here, and she's my daily girl. My daily girl. Actually, I have really crazy hair. It looks really bad. Yeah. 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 Is that what happens? Yeah. Blakey's like, what in the...
So, guys,
I'm not really showing.
we finished up dinner.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
We finished up dinner. Charlie got a shower. Charlie sat down and did her homework.
Yeah.
Blakey had a little nap while we ate. Right, Blakey? And has her pajamas
Hey,
on.
why did you sit on
Charlie
Blakey?
packed up her backpack for school tomorrow.
Why did you sit on Blake?
I didn't sit on her. She's next to me. And now we're gonna go upstairs and we're going to read a book and pick out Charlie's clothes for school.
And bedtime.
And
Bedtime.
And bedtime.
Bedtime.
Oh my word. There's a crying baby.
And a crying.
A messy room.
And a crying house.
I really gotta organize. If you guys would like to see an organization video, just like a cleaning montage or something, let me know in the comments down below, because we definitely need it in here. So Charlie picked a book that she wanted to read for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and feed Blake and read her a book, and she is going to go to sleep. Good night. I love you. Look,
Don't turn off the light. Don't turn off it. Please.
Good night.
Don't turn it off. Don't turn it.
Alright guys, so Charlie is off to bed and little Miss Blake has had her nightly poop explosion, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. But I did just want to close out this video because this is where I'm going to end it. I'm going to go ahead and spend some time with my husband and with Blake. Hopefully she actually goes to bed at a decent time tonight. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to do this again in the future and make it a little bit better. I'm still trying to get a grasp on my life with the 2-month-old and a 5-year-old, so it's like a work in progress. But I did want to show you guys what our day is like. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my video and to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. What's wrong? What you mad about?
Nothing.
Babe, do me a favor.
Comments, I got you.
Huh?
Nothing.